Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I am replacing the engine air filters. There are two of them on a 2015 Mercedes Benz S550. So it helps if you have the hood all the way up to its vertical position, and this is how you do it. Um, you press the one on the right first and just move it a little bit, and then the left some more, and then the right all the way. So remove the two covers, and those are the three places where it inserts on the two sides. In order to make it easier to remove the air inlets, and then the center engine cover, and those little clips, sometimes they get stuck to the engine bay. Just make sure you get them all out and you account for all of them. As you can see here, the one of them is not there on the cover. And then remove this sensor first, and the way you do that is the white part of it, you have to press down as you pull. You have to do that on the right side or the driver's side only, and I'll show you how to remove the left side an easier way. So right where it says V8, that's where inside of that housing is the air filter. And these are the mounting points. There are four, I believe, T20 Torx screws holding the cover to the filter housing. And you only need a straight driver to remove the housing from the turbochargers. So this is the other connector that you can, this is a lot easier to remove because it's not in the other one. I mean, you could do it both ways, as with the driver side's filter housing. There's a sensor there too that you can disconnect. It's just harder to get to than this one. So remove these by hand first, and then if you have a gun, then you can remove it the rest of the way. They'll not come out. And I don't think the filter in this car had been changed since the car was manufactured. So you may find that the cover doesn't want to separate from the housing, or you can have to split it into two parts. So you can use some implement, like maybe a trim remover tool or a screwdriver to just separate the two. This filter is really nasty and dirty. If you have an air gun, blow some air, otherwise just clean the housing thoroughly. And the two man filters that I'm using, and I've listed I'll list it in the description and in the video also. I got it from Rock Auto for about $22 as of June of 2024. Here what you want to do is make sure that all edges of the filter are inside the housing on all four sides. And then the installation is just the reverse of removal. First by hand, just a few turns, and then the rest of the way with a gun. I believe these are T20 or T25. It always helps when you're working on these cars, Mercedes Benzes, to have male and female torque sockets and 12-point sockets and all kinds of sockets that are ordinarily not used in other cars. Usually European cars nowadays use these a lot. And the passenger side, so I'm not showing the other one. It's basically exactly the same. So carefully place the housing back in, and then you wanna just press it in. And make sure everything is seated properly. And really the rest of this is quite easy to figure out. And one other thing, you want to cover the turbo inlets with some piece of cloth so nothing gets in dust or insects or whatever. And tighten these, don't over tighten, but also don't under tighten. Just do it by feel, but make sure, and you can count the number of turns when you take it out if you want, but figure out a way where you're not over tightening it, but also you're not under tightening it, so that it doesn't suck in air from the engine bay, so that it's well sealed basically. And this time you start on the left side, on the passenger side, pressing that red button, move it down until you hear a click, and then on the right side press it down, and then you can lower it all the way. I hope you find this video of use, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.